Cyclone Mocha made landfall yesterday. Myanmar is now in a state of emergency as a severe storm has caused quite a bit of damage across the country. While the Indian Meteorological Department categorized the cyclone to be a severe cyclonic storm, the US Typhoon Warning Department called it a level 5 hurricane. We have Shreya Kundu explaining what the difference between the two is and the level of destruction that has been caused by this intense cyclone.
As each day passes by, Cyclone Mocha continues to wreak havoc across parts of Bangladesh and Myanmar. A cyclone that had been predicted to travel over the Bay of Bengal since the last week of April made landfall yesterday, and the terror anticipated transformed into reality. While experts at the Indian Meteorological Department has classified this to be a severe cyclonic storm, the US Joint Typhoon Warning Center has said that the cyclonic winds that formed over the northern Indian Oceans resembled Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. So what is a Category 5 hurricane and how catastrophic has it been in the past? A Category 5 intensity on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale is one of the strongest tropical cyclones that forms within the Atlantic Ocean, which comprises sustained wind speeds of 254 km per hour within a minute. Now, when we speak of Cyclone Mocha, it attained a wind speed of 260 km per hour as per the reports at the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. Now, if we are to look back into the history of Category 5 hurricanes, the year 2008 to 2009 witnessed 8 of them, which has so far been the maximum that has been recorded within a year. And among these, one was the highly catastrophic Hurricane Katrina. Now, coming back to Cyclone Mocha, post making landfall in Myanmar yesterday, heavy rainfall has swept through Myanmar's Rakhine with consistent strong gusts of winds blowing over the coastline. While on the other hand, there have been speculations regarding Bangladesh's St. Martin's Island going underwater because of the cyclone, and this is because of its low altitude. The low-lying areas of Cox's Bazar and Chattogram were expected to suffer the worst hits in the mainland of Bangladesh, and this is again due to their low altitude. Both Myanmar and Bangladesh conducted large-scale evacuation programs to help people in these areas move to safer habitats and protect themselves from the deadly landfall. The latest and the last time that Bangladesh has seen such calamity caused by a cyclone was when Cyclone Sidr had lashed out its fury in Bangladesh. And predictions of a catastrophe regarding Cyclone Mocha, the IMD has assured that the wind speed has started weakening and the worst has blown over. In fact, the fact that the evacuations in both Bangladesh and Myanmar could be finished before the cyclone reached the coast is being seen as a success story. While casualties would usually be in thousands during a hurricane of such a category and such intensity, this time it has been limited to a single digit as of now. However, rescue operations shall continue over the next few days to ensure people's safety and to bring us more updates from the ground.
That's all we could pack in for you in this edition. Thank you so much for tuning in.